Okay, I have removed code from here and added it into the HTML file, and now it's worked properly because inner HTML is not catching data of the day variable in a JavaScript. In this case, you can also use it, copy this code from here and paste it here. For suppose I'm going to paste it right here and it is not working, cutting from here and pasting here, and saved it, and also saved it here, and let's see if it worked. Yes, it's worked, but in this case it is not work. So that is why I just go back and select all, copy it or cut it from here and paste it right here. It works here, not there. Yes, today is Saturday. Basically in this code what happened, it get date and get day of the date. Okay, what is date today and what is day of the date today? It is Saturday. When you open it tomorrow, it will show you Sunday. All right, so this code work like this, and we use switch cases because in this we have a series of values, and we have many values and several values, and for suppose we have several values like days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, and we have uh, 7 cases. Start from 0. Start in case 0 we have Sunday, in case 1 we have day Monday. Okay, whatever date, it call the date and it get the day. For suppose today is Saturday, the value displays as a Saturday. In every case where is Saturday, here in case 6 is Saturday, that is why it displayed right here as a Saturday value. We use switch cases right here, and we have um, another file, it is index. Okay, and here we don't need to add any um, demo or any paragraph or any id. We just talk about in external JavaScript 2 file. Here we have a grade B. For suppose it check the grade in what case it find out. It is in B grade. In B case you see the pretty good, you will find out message pretty good. If I add C here and when we execute the program from my switches cases index 2, it display me passed, and what value in C we have added? Passed. Not so good. In D, if I add D, it check out D grade and display not so good. Alright, so we use cases in this kind of problems or in this kind of logics. Okay, and here is code, and I have added this code in the class, and we have another flow chart. Here is a single expression, code block 1, code block 2 and expression. These are cases. Okay, and this is expression, case 1 2 3 and block of code 1 2 3. And how it's work? For suppose check the grade and comes in the case, if case match, execute the block of code. If no, come back here, check case, execute the block of code. No, come here, same like that. Here is a grade, case 1. If grade is A, it execute because grade A is case match to execute the block of code. Okay, if we add C, grade C, here check expression not match, that is why do not go here, come here, and also check because our value is C, that is why it is not value C, it is B. that is why it will not execute this block of code and comes right here the case match with grade, that is why it execute the block of code. Okay, alright, now I end this class. Good luck, bye.